Paramshanti. Welcome to this 7 minutes Paramshanti meditation for stress relief. In our busy lives, the mind is often restless, filled with thoughts, worries, and responsibilities. This constant mental noise creates tension in the body and uneasiness in the heart. Paramshanti means supreme peace, is a space beyond this noise, a state where the mind becomes clear, the body feels light, and the soul rests in silence. Through this meditation, we will breathe deeply, release stress, and allow our awareness to sink into calmness. Whether you are starting your day or ending it, this 10 minutes will help you let go of anxiety, recharge your inner energy, and reconnect with peace within yourself. Find a comfortable place to sit. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out. Allow your body to relax. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind settle. With every inhale, invite calmness. With every exhale, release stress. Feel the rhythm of your breath like gentle waves touching the shore. Repeat silently in your heart, I am safe. I am calm. I am in Paramshanti. Now bring your awareness to your body. Feel relaxation spreading from the top of your head to your shoulders, arms, chest, stomach, legs, and feet. With each breath, your body is light, free, and deeply peaceful. Imagine a gentle light above your head, pure, healing, and full of peace. This light enters you, filling your mind with clarity, your heart with love, your soul with Paramshanti. In this silence, let go of all burdens. You are not your stress, you are pure peace. Now, rest in silence for few minutes. No thoughts to chase, no worries to hold, just Paramshanti. Slowly bring your awareness back. Feel the ground beneath you. Take a deep breath. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Remember, Paramshanti is not outside, it is always within you. Paramshanti, Paramshanti, Paramshanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो